couple of years ago, I was coaching a vice president at a very well-known company. And as we usually do, I put up the camera and the tripod, and he stood up at the front of the room and he put up his slides and he stood up to do the opening couple of minutes of his presentation. And I was videotaping him. And as he was speaking, he suddenly started doing this. He was spouting some platitudes, and then he said, well, good morning and welcome to the company sales meeting. It's great to see everyone today. And I'm thinking, what is he doing? Does he even know? And as I was taking notes, I found myself doing it with him, like we were a couple of medium-sized trees in a light breeze. At the end of it, when we watched the video back, he almost fell out of his chair. He had no idea he was doing it. And that happens quite a bit because we're so maniacally focused on the content, what am I going to say, that we forget about delivery of the content. We forget about body language and eye contact and pausing. Now, of course, once he saw the video, it was an easy fix. But not a lot of people submit themselves to videotape coaching. You should. Everybody should, because it will make you better. And if you're swaying like that, that means no one in the audience is listening to your message.